When you open up your TikTok app, the first thing that's going to pop up is the For You page. So if you tap on Home, you're going to see this here. Now, these are all of the videos that the TikTok algorithm, based upon the videos that you have double tapped, you've hearted or liked or whatever you want to call it, on the user accounts that you are following, on the comments that you've done, on the shares that you've done, the algorithm has said, you are going to like these videos. Now, I'm going to tell you from the jump, when you go to your For You page, after you have set up your TikTok account, you are going to see probably some stuff that you would not normally like. The first time that I set this up, I got a bunch of teenage girls dancing around in their sports bras. Now, I did not care for that. So I went ahead and did a search because I knew how the algorithm worked. I went ahead and did a search and found stuff that I liked, started commenting, started sharing, started double tapping, started following users, and the For You page changed rather drastically. Now, that's not to say that I'm not going to get some stuff in here that I am not going to like, but if you are on your For You page, you can go into the share and you have the option of tapping on that broken heart, not interested. So what that's going to do is you're not going to see that video pop up, and you're not going to see like videos pop up. So you can be active on that end of crafting your For You page for your interests. And it also, if you're a business, that's cute. If you're for a business, you would be able to see what your competition is looking like on the For You page. But in essence, how it works is that once you upload a video that you have created and captioning it properly, doing the right hashtags, using the sounds and things like that for trending and things like that, but it's going to base it off of your captions and your hashtags, and it is going to throw your video out to people roughly around 1,000 or so that are going to be interested. They're going to cast a net pretty much. And what that is going to do is that once those 1,000 people have your video, if they engage it, share it, comment, double tap to heart it, if they do that and there are enough people and there are enough views, you are going to have that shared out to roughly 10,000 people. And it keeps growing and growing and growing. So what you want to do is you want to create quality content, consistent quality content, properly captioning, properly tagging, properly doing all of these things so that it gets to the right people, and slowly but surely you're going to grow. Now, you can have a breakout video that a lot of people see, a lot of people like, a lot of people enjoy, and it's going to get thrown out to a truckload and they are going to like it. They're going to start following you, and your channel could grow. And I've seen it personally. It is just incredible. I've seen the channel grow from like 5 followers to 45,000 followers overnight. It is just incredible what this platform can do. And I don't even need to tell you what that means for your business if you have stuff like that going on. But you'll see it in their profiles too, in other people's profiles. You'll see videos that have like 4 or 5 likes and about maybe 100 views. And then all of a sudden you'll see one video that's just breakout that has like 50,000 views, 100,000 likes and 800,000 comments and such. But they understand what that is. And that's how the For You page works. Now, contrary to popular opinion, if you hashtag FYP For You page or anything like that, that does not get you on the For You page. It has nothing to do with that. In fact, you doing that is going to set the algorithm up against you down the road. So be patient, craft quality content, caption things properly, hashtag things properly, and be patient. And if you do your due diligence, you're going to have a breakout video. And do not delete old videos. Those old videos show up on the For You page too. And you could have a video that you made several months ago that's a breakout video and all of that. So You need to also think about making evergreen content, meaning content that doesn't have any time expiration. News articles and things like that, that is not evergreen. But if you do like dog videos like this will last forever. Everyone's gonna think this is funny and cute. If you do educational videos that are long-term educations, like with regard to health or anything like that, you can have an old video of yours that could be a breakout video that's still relevant and could break out. But that's how the For You page works. Don't manipulate it. Don't worry about getting on there. Just do your campaign, do your marketing campaign, create good content, properly caption and hashtag everything, and you never know, you could be one of those overnight successes. I've seen it happen so many times, and it can happen to you.